Oh, so cute. With both hands. Like this. Like this. And then like this. Here. Somewhere. Put a stick it. Press. Yes, press. Okay, now take another one. Another color. Yes. Come on, put glue, baby. What shape is it? Triangle. So we are making a triangle. Tree. We'll make a tree, okay? Yeah. Now hold this. Put it over here. Yes. Can you put the glue properly? Very good. Now put it over here. The leaves. These are the leaves. Can you put the triangle leaves over here? You're done putting glue, baby? Okay, now stick it over here. Stick the leaves here. The triangle leaves. You have to press like this, Jody. Press. Oh, why? There is no glue at all. Put glue on this. Put glue on this. There's no glue at all. I wonder what he was putting. Very good. Now try doing that with all. What are you talking to the glue? Is he your friend? Is he or she your friend? Why did you say elephant? I'm saying friend. Hey guys, so as you can see, what I have done is I have drawn a really big triangle shape at one of the edges of the paper and almost the center bottom of the paper, and I've colored it with a brown marker, and I made these small triangle shape cutouts with the construction paper, and I have handed over a glue to Jordan, and this is the first time Jordan is doing a gluing activity with this kind of glue. Then your hand is sticky. You're wondering what is that? It's sticking. Show your hand. Something new. Peace. Okay, good. Yes. Jordy always wanted to play with this glue. I remember he used to kind of, all the time remove this and wanted to play around, and I never used to give him to play with this glue. Of course, nobody would give it, right? So right now he's really happy and excited that he's getting to play with the glue. Jordy, what is this? What is this? Tree. Triangle tree. triangle tree.